Now here we are coming from River Road. We're taking a little shortcut through these little alleyways behind Tom and Earl's Backyard Grill. Right there in that little alcove in the summertime, they have live music. So when you're in town for nail tech event of the Smokies, be sure as you're walking down the Parkway or River Road, which runs parallel to the Parkway, take these little shortcuts and see what kind of shops you can find. Because a lot of times there's hidden gems back here that you don't even know exist. And they're a lot of fun to go in. And even if you don't buy anything, just look around and see, window shop. That one, it looks like has some kind of laser engraving for monogram signs. Not sure what's going on there. But, yeah, and they got benches. You could take a seat. I believe there's public restrooms down this alley, too. So, yeah, when you're out and about, you always got to know where those are at. So, anyway, oh, there's an ice cream shop of some kind. And, ooh, there's a Mystic store if you're into that sort of palm reading thing. So nail techs, when you're in town for nail tech event of the Smokies this July, just get out and explore as you're walking along. And Lids is a shop for hats, baseball caps and what have you. My husband loves going in there. He's all about that stuff. And there's some kind of clothing store, I believe. But we're coming out on the Parkway here now, and I don't know what that construction is, but to the right of it, right there, that is Old Smoky Barrel House for moonshine tasting. Visit nailtechevent.com. Peace out.